Hello everyone, this is Winston. Today we have a very interesting day because stock yesterday suffered a massive, a decent dumb red day, right? And nothing going on overnight, but NASDAQ not only gained back the whole loss from right here. This is the new happen. So about right here is gained back 100% of the loss, but gain back some. Same thing with Russell. Try to actually let me see. Oh, okay. So the Russell gained back all the loss from yesterday, and then the Dow have not. So, but here's the thing. Start with Go bouncing, but then make new low and close on low, and right now making another new low. Same thing with silver. Bounced a little bit with stock, but didn't follow through, and then make new low and close on low also. Same thing with Bitcoin. So what's the lessons today? You know, maybe because of positioning and because stock, you have a very advantage of all the assets is like the pension fund and all the passive investment fund. So you have the upward drip. And one more thing is stock all-time high. Stock very strong lately. So they prove themselves. They are the leader of the market. So if you want to go long, if you want to invest, you should invest in stock market. But of course, nobody wants to invest in stock market right now. Just be real with Winston. Do you want to long stock market? No, right? Because you think it's kind of expensive, right? It's like just go straight upward. But that's exactly why we long the stock market, because look like everyone is participating in this bubble. But if you ask around, do you see anyone over leverage or really long the stock market beside their passive fund? No, right? They try to invest in different assets like gold, silver, and Bitcoin. This is where the crowded is. The most crowded is Bitcoin. Why Bitcoin is so weak? Look, if everyone try to participate in long Bitcoin, and if we had two all-time high, that's too easy. And say with me, market not here to give you money, they're here to take your money. So if the market give you a gift, right, a gift to just dipping, and then you buy, and then just go back to all-time high, and we all rich, and then we laugh, we all rich, we buy Lambo. No, the position said it's very crowded. It's suggesting, of course it's not always 100% true, but it's suggesting we go lower. How much lower? It's lower until everyone sold, and then Winston and my friend will buy. That's the goal. So of course Winston wants to catch the dip, to buy the dip, but we have to be patient and observe the position changing. When we see the capitulate in positioning, we know people give up. We know people surrender, and then we step in to save them. Just kidding. NASDAQ up 2.5%. This is QQQ, equivalent of NASDAQ. And then SP 500 0.78%. Much weaker, but NASDAQ is the high beta. So if it go up more, that's a good thing, because market work as we expect. And then we have Russell of 1.97%, so almost 2%. Even stronger than SP 500. And look at the Russell. The Russell just hovering at the all-time high level. You know, so right now Russell doing the step by step, and if we have a positive catalyst, it will break all-time high. And remember, guys, yesterday we have a pretty hawkish, less communicator, Kevin Warsh. And why the market bouncing? I think because just like Winston, after a panic right here, people start to realize, wait a minute, that this guy can follow through what he said. He said he will. The report say half of the participate, the FOMC participate, want to hike once, and half of them want to hike at least one. So half. But the market say the possibility for 2 hike this year and then 1 hike for next year is too much. So after the panic, the market can realize, wait a minute, what are we doing here? So they bounce back, and even higher than this, because oil is down a lot. So the inflation will come right back down like a drop. So why do we panic? Let's say in July, July or September, the July meeting or the September meeting, if oil keep dropping or stay stable at this level, and the CPI and PPI cool down or even deflation, there's no reason Kevin Warsh want to cut rate. Maybe there will be a language to indicate a rate cut. So people realize, just like I said, right? The possibility of rate cut is 0% yesterday. That's too much. That's too skewed. So people adjust it. And by the way, we have $39 trillion. There's no way we want to hike up and then have to pay more in interest. There's no way internally people accept that decision, unless we have a big uncontrolled inflation, which we not. And then SPACEX, the golden child. I advise some of my people to sell overnight around 200 to 220, and now it dropped. If I want to buy, which I'm not, but if I want to buy, I will buy at around 160, which is is right here. Yeah, 158 to 160. This is very safe zone. And then of course 149, 150, 149. But I would accumulate right here, and half of them, and then another half, 150. Alright guys, that's it today. Not every day we have lots of news, so today is a very quick one. Yesterday, tomorrow we have a holiday, so no video and no COT data. The COT data will come out on Monday. We will have a lot to talk on Monday. Alright, I will see you Monday. Bye bye.